Well, good morning, guys, and welcome to the show. Today, you guys might recognize this gentleman here. He's Sage, and say he's with Orca, these guys. And we're gonna talk to you about a new product slash software that could possibly make your car, well, possibly, no, it will.
It'll work.
It will work, and it will make your car sound amazing. Stay tuned, and we're gonna take a look at what that is. Well, Sage, welcome back to the show. It's good to have you here.
Yeah, man.
What are we talking about? What am I hinting towards?
Barnie. What is Barnie?
I know what Barney was in my life, but what is it in your life?
It's not a purple dinosaur.
It's not a purple dinosaur?
No, it's not. It's a new tuning setup that Moscone just introduced. It's actually a head with some microphones in it that hooks up to our Moscone DSPs.
Now, a head with microphones doesn't, I've seen that before.
Yeah, so actually Barnie is just the measurement portion of it. The magic actually happens inside the Moscone DSP. So it has some really sophisticated software that Barnie hooks up to, and you're able to tune the car, do a lot of really cool things. Auto EQ, phase alignment.
That seems to be a new one right now.
Really
phase
cool.
alignment seems to be a big buzzword all of a sudden.
Yes, absolutely. So it's really cool. I definitely want to show you how it works.
Let's hop over to the Bronco, which I know you guys have seen before, but it's an all-new version of the Bronco. See what he's talking about. I'm intrigued. I hope you are too.
You guys can see Barnie, which is sitting in the vehicle, and we have a laptop. So Barnie hooks up to the Moscone DSP. There's actually two ways it can hook up. We use a external sound card or a direct plug-in depending on the Moscone product you have. And the other really very important thing about Barnie is actually Barnie is calibrated in an anechoic chamber, and each Barnie comes with a calibration file on a thumb drive that you have to load into your Moscone software to make it work.
What happens if you lose the thumb drive?
So if you lose this thumb drive, you're SOL basically. You have to protect this with your life. Upload it on Dropbox, put it in the cloud, put it in a safe spot. Once you load it into the computer that you're using, you just basically plug it in, open the software, and your calibration file is loaded into your software.
It's only if you need it for new.
Yeah, new laptops, stuff like that. You load it once and you put it in a safe place. And then it comes with Mos mic cards. It comes with 2 of them in case you have to bury this in the install and you don't want to take it out. So we're going to have these available extras. This is actually a third-party Rode AI piece that comes with it as well, and you guys can purchase more of these if you need. This is actually used for the current 8 to 12 aerospace and 6 to 8 aerospace. All the other Moscone product uses the direct Mos mic card. It's very simple. You set Barnie in the vehicle, you plug it into either your Rode AI or you plug it directly into the Moscone amplifier, upload your calibration file, and then everything is done here on the screen.
So how long does the process take?
30 minutes, an hour, depending on how elaborate the system is. If you're doing a basic 2-way front stage and a subwoofer, about 20 minutes. A little more elaborate, probably a full front 3-way rear active subs, about an hour max. You want to put Barnie, get it plugged into its appropriate inputs, close the vehicle up completely. When you connect Moscone DSP to your laptop, the laptop will actually turn on the DSP via USB. So a lot of systems, you actually do not even have to have the car on, because when you plug in the laptop to the car, it turns the DSP amp on, or DSP on, and turns on all your amplifiers, and then all these signal sweeps that are required for Barnie to work are generated by your laptop software.
So that means if the car times out, you're not going to have any issues.
Exactly,
Oh,
which is very important.
That is very important.
Yeah, so you don't have to sit there and make sure the car is on all the time. So this will power everything up, and you can do your tuning process in a very quiet, very quiet environment. Barnie is very sensitive, very quiet. So yeah, you just want to be in a quiet environment. I always tune in the morning or late at night, wait for trains to drive by. You want a nice quiet environment to get really good results.
Is there a go button? Is there a big green go button?
No, there's not a green go button. There is a process to learn. It's about 4 steps.
4 steps that you're talking about, that'll be the next video.
Yeah, we're gonna go in deep on this, on all the steps, the process, and show you guys how we've actually been doing it here and showing the process and blowing people's minds. It definitely works, and stay tuned for that.
Hey guys, there's your introduction to Barnie. This is an awesome product. Make sure to check out any of your Moscone Gladen dealers. If they have this, it's starting to get into the retail side. You guys are shipping out your first batch of them.
Yes, we're shipping out our first batch. So
yeah,
a lot of our dealers have them already.
There you go. Something to check out and see. Ask to have your car tuned by Barnie. And then stay tuned. We will be shooting that next video, an in-depth how-to, both in English and Spanish. So it'll be really fun. So look forward to that next month. That's all I got for you. Sage, thank you so much for coming on. I know
Absolutely.
how you love doing this.
I love doing this.
You guys have a great day as always. We'll see you later next time.
Awesome.
Bye.
Take care, guys.
Exactly.
It's like, whoa.